Hi guys, my name is Tatiana and you are on the Tulipical makeup channel. Today I have a special day. My husband and I were going to a fantastic, marvelous show, which is called the Alley of Rock. They show us on the tour all over Poland and today we have it in our town. And I'm so excited because we've bought tickets half a year ago. It is going to be a great performance of symphony orchestra, a choir, rock bands, soloists and dancers. I'm wearing black dress tonight, so the idea was to create beautiful black wings, long eyelashes and red lips. Classics! If you want to know how to create this look, stay with me and in the end of this video, I'm going to take you to the performance. So let's not waste the time and get into it. I'm gonna be starting with color correction first, neutralizing all color imperfections by applying Makeup Forever Redness Corrector on sort of rednesses, reddish spots and other stuff like that. As you can see, my face can look a little bit too fair right now, but I'll fix it later with the help of the foundation. Dear Backstage foundation, and I'm using the fluffy synthetic brush. I'm going to use a sort of the dimension technique when you apply one tone darker foundation all over the face and neck and then lightening the central part of the face out. I'm having night out mood and that means continuation with Dior products. Dior Forever Skin Concealer, which looks super natural and is a real lifesaver for people with dry skin. Adding a touch of GIVENCHY loose powder. I'm really obsessed with this product. I'm going to apply it on under eyes area and a little bit on my forehead just to set the foundation and concealer. It gives a great matte effect and pretty good lasting. As for the rest of the face, let us apply Makeup Forever Color Powder. Look how gorgeous the complexion is right now. Love it! And moreover, on such well-powdered skin, it will be very easy to apply any dry products. Blushes or bronzers, you will never put any rough line, just smooth and delicate color. Too Faced Natural Palette, delicate correction of cheekbones, and moving on to the blush. I will recommend you always to have a slight smile on your face while putting your blush on. It will certainly help you to make a right decision of the placement of the blush color on your cheeks. A kiss of setting spray and moving on to the eye makeup. I'm covering the mobile eyelids with the matte beige color from Tarte palette and starting to build the form of the crease. One fluffy brush applies product, another blends it out. A touch of the same color to the lower eyelids and connecting the lower inner corners of their eyes with the crease. Picking up some gorgeous sparkling eyeshadows on my finger and pressing it to the center of the upper eyelids. And it's time for Wings, the most long-lasting eyeliner of all times, in my opinion, is the Inglet eyeliner, and starting with the inner corners. Delicate line and little tail of the wing. I advise to take a clean sharp brush in order to make the tail of the wing sharper. It always works. Building a form, A touch of the dark eyeshadows to give some volume to your beautiful long wings. It's time for the eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using the products in graphic colors. The eyebrows shouldn't be too intensive, because the main attention in today's makeup planned to be on our eyes and lips. Mascara time. A touch of mascara, and it's time for individuals. The individual lashes I'm using are combined into 3 bunches, so it is faster and easier to apply them. After getting this fantastic lash look, I'm starting to feel the concert vibes, but let's get back to the lips. Red lips are the classics of all time, and Sephora products helps to achieve it. So this is the final look. Gorgeous, stylish and modern. Come on guys, it's time for the show.
All the people living for today.